It's Bobby and Caitlin here with Rislone. Hey Caitlin, what kind of oil do you use?
The liquid kind?
Right. Well, that's a good start. But did you know that when you use a high-quality motor oil, you could still use a little extra boost to gain some performance?
No, I didn't, but I have a strong feeling you're about to tell me.
Okay, let me put this a better way. Using Rislone engine treatment is like taking your car to a gym.
We're going to a gym?
No, I said it's like going to a gym. This product allows the oil to flow freely. It provides protection and improved performance. It's huge with car enthusiasts.
That does not sound like any gym I have ever been to.
Well, I have.
Well, let's go to your gym.
Good. Okay, here we are. This product works on all petroleum-based motor oils, including high mileage, conventional, and synthetic. This is the original engine treatment. It's been around and evolving almost as long as cars have. And even now, it's still easy to use.
How easy?
So easy.
Prove it.
Done. All you need to do is check your oil level by pulling the dipstick. If the oil is low, you can go ahead and install the product. All you need to do, pull the cap, pour it in.
And again, if you don't know where your oil cap is, check your owner's manual and make sure the engine is cool before you go while touching stuff in there. Be safe.
Good points. You can use the entire bottle in your engine, but be careful not to overfill. Once it's all in there, you're going to need to pull the stick again and check your levels. You may need to add additional oil.
And if you're like me, you might want to check your owner's guide to make sure you use the right kind.
Yeah, like the liquid kind?
Exactly.
You're going to want to let your car run for 10 to 15 minutes to get it working into the system. It's fast and easy.
What'd you say about me?
Oh, come on. I'm talking about the engine treatment.
Oh, you better be. I know. Hey, Bobby, what if I'm getting my oil changed? Should I still use this?
Absolutely. Just replace 1 quart of oil with the product. Starting fresh is a great idea.
Well, it looks like we proved it again.
Yeah, what's that?
Your car is what it eats. Give it a better diet with Rislone.
Till next time, guys.
Can we go to the gym now?